Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Microsoft account and making sure rewards is tied to your Xbox profile. This connects points to purchases and activity. Once signed in, verify your region and tier because availability and prices vary by country. Next, open the Microsoft Rewards dashboard on the web or the Xbox app to see your balance and eligible offers. Do this now so you know exactly how many points you can spend and which redemption options are unlocked. Once you know your balance, choose between gift cards, Xbox credit, Xbox Game Pass, or sweepstakes. Each has different point-to-value ratios, so pick the best value for your goal. After selecting, follow the redemption flow, confirm the point cost, delivery type, and the account that receives the credit. Make sure your Microsoft account country matches the redemption region, otherwise codes may not work. If given a digital code, copy it now and note any expiry so you don't lose value. After redeeming, apply the credit by entering the code on your Xbox store or letting AutoCredit post to your account. Either works. Once applied, purchase or subscribe as intended. If you used a gift card, go to Store Redeem and paste the code, then confirm the credit appears under Payment and Billing. If something goes wrong, first check region and account mismatch, then verify the code is unused. If that doesn't fix it, contact Microsoft support with the redemption ID and date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.